Hi, this is Griffin with Wasteland Furniture. Today we're going to be building the Mainstays No Tool Assembly 3-Cube Entertainment Center for TVs that are up to 40 inches. Before you start, you want to check to make sure that none of your panels have any damage and that you have all of your hardware. If you have any problems, you can refer to the number on the front of the manual and we'll get you taken care of. If everything is in order, then we can begin assembly. To begin assembly, you want to take your one panel and flip it so that the black pieces are facing up. Then you want to take 4 of these smaller little pegs and screw them into the 4 holes. After you've screwed on the 4 short pegs onto your one panel, then attach your two panels onto each side like so, with the unfinished side facing up. Then screw on 2 of these shorter pegs. Then screw on 2 longer of the pegs onto this outer 2 holes. Then you will want to do the same thing on this side with the other 2 panel. Next you'll want to take your 2 longer legs. Next you'll want to take your 3 panel and place it on to the middle of the structure, like so. And you want to screw in the remaining 4 pegs onto each of these little screws. Lastly, you will want to take your 2 4 panels, place them on each side. And then just put on all of your feet. After you've attached all the feet pointing in the same direction, you can then flip the structure over. And then you will want to attach your TV stopper to the front of the structure. You can place it wherever you want the front of your TV to be. Put it in the middle right there. Push it down. And then you'll want to place the front of your TV right there.